Hey guys, Austin here with Volt Life Proof Grooming. Today I'm going to show you how I style and texture my hair using some Volt Surf Salt Spray, and why it's a bit different from other texture sprays out there. Surf Salt Spray is a light texturing spray that you can use either on its own or with other styling products. It especially helps when your head's been under a helmet for hours at a time. That's why I always keep one with me. Just give it a few shakes, a couple sprays. And now my hair behaves. It's gonna add some texture, some grit, some natural volume, and a bit of a light hold without causing your hair to look stiff or greasy. Now, really what sets it apart is what's inside the bottle. Volt Surf Salt Spray is all natural. No harsh ingredients like silicons, PVP, carbamers, or even artificial preservatives. Instead, it's powered by 3 sea salts and activated charcoal, which gives it that texture and grit. Now, the issue with salt alone is that it actually dries things out. And as we know, dry hair and a dry scalp is not a good thing. So to combat this, Volt has packed natural moisturizers in its surf salt spray. Things like sea kelp, green tea extract, and panthenol. So your hair looks and feels healthy, not dried out. Just a few sprays is really all you need. A little bit goes a long way with this stuff, especially if you want to keep your hair looking and feeling natural. Now, Volt Surf Salt Spray comes in an eco-friendly, plastic-free aluminum bottle. You can probably hear it when I tap on it here. That's aluminum. Now it comes in 2 sizes, a travel-friendly 2.7 ounce bottle right here and a 5-ounce home bottle you can keep for your daily. It's free from aerosols, and the kicker is it's refillable. Now Volt's 30-ounce refills like this one right here are gonna save you some money. That's because you're not having to pay for the premium packaging of these bottles, and instead you're paying for an entirely recyclable aluminum pouch. And you don't have to order this stuff as often. And everything Volt makes, from their surf salt spray to their pouches, refill packs, their clear shave, their beard balms, everything is made in-house in South Dakota at the Volt headquarters. No third parties, no BS, no shortcuts. The thing I love most about it is I can run my fingers through my hair. It still feels natural, but it keeps my hair controlled. My hair isn't going crazy. Hopefully you guys have learned a little bit more about what sea salt spray is, what it does, how you can use it for you, and overall you can get that beach hair look at home in about 30 seconds. So thank you guys again for watching. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and we will see you in another Volt video on the channel very soon.